Are you facing financial struggles? Have you been diligently trying but haven't been able to make progress? You might have been wondering how wealthy individuals manage to succeed. The path to riches is challenging and filled with obstacles, but it can also be a thrilling journey if you commit yourself to it. Nothing worthwhile comes easily. If it did, everyone would have it, but that's not the case. To navigate this journey successfully, you need to be prepared to face and overcome the obstacles that come your way. The first step is to identify the factors that are hindering your financial goals and address them. These are the factors that hold you back, and they are within your control. Until you acknowledge and address them, your pursuit of financial freedom may remain a distant dream. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 things you must avoid if you want to become rich. Number 1. Too much planning. Excessive focus solely on planning can actually hinder progress and prevent forward momentum. It's interesting to note that those who achieve great things often don't have all the answers from the very beginning. What sets them apart is their clear understanding of what they want to achieve and a strong belief in their ability to succeed. Waiting for everything to be perfect before starting can become a tempting trap that holds us back. Instead, it's often more beneficial to take that initial step forward and embrace the process of learning along the way. In fact, success tends to favor those who actively take action, rather than those who passively wait for opportunities to come to them. Number 2. Fear. Various fears hold many individuals back from reaching their full potential. These fears can manifest as a fear of failure, a fear of success, a fear of rejection, or a fear of criticism. In contrast, highly successful individuals learn valuable lessons from their failures and mistakes. Rather than allowing setbacks to discourage them, they rise, learn from the experience, and make improvements. Additionally, their unwavering gaze remains fixed on their goals, unaffected by the opinions and judgments of others. If your desire is to achieve wealth, it becomes crucial to actively confront and overcome the various fears that hinder your progress. Number 3. A negative mindset. What type of mindset do you possess? Do you tend to perceive obstacles in every idea that arises, whether they come from yourself or others? Alternatively, do you see potential and possibilities? A negative mindset views a glass as half empty, while a positive mindset sees it as half full. It's crucial to free yourself from a mindset that constantly identifies problems, and instead adopt a perspective that recognizes possibilities. Even if there are countless reasons why something might not work, strive to find one reason why it can succeed. Mastering this shift may require time, especially if you have held on to incorrect beliefs for an extended period. Continually affirm to yourself, if someone could achieve it, I am capable of achieving it too. Repeat this mantra persistently, and gradually, you will develop the confidence to perceive possibilities instead of obstacles. Number 4. Instant gratification. This mindset revolves around constantly expecting immediate results from every endeavor you undertake. There might be valid reasons for this, such as an urgent financial requirement. However, this way of thinking has trapped many individuals in a cycle of financial struggle. Those who seek instant gratification tend to live paycheck to paycheck. They are unwilling to invest their efforts into ventures that require time before yielding profits. On the other hand, affluent individuals adopt a long-term investment approach. They dedicate extensive effort in the present moment without solely focusing on immediate gains. Their primary concern is delivering value, rather than seeking public attention. Rich individuals direct their focus towards achieving significant results, fully aware of the substantial rewards that lie ahead. Number 5. Blame. Individuals who attribute their own failures to external factors will never achieve success. This particular group tends to assign blame to their parents, the government, politicians, their place of residence, and various other sources for their problems. They consistently avoid taking personal responsibility. It's always someone else's fault. However, until you cease playing the blame game, your journey towards success will remain stagnant. It's important to start holding yourself accountable for the circumstances you find yourself in. Recognize that if you desire change in your life, you are the one who must initiate those changes. Wealthy individuals take responsibility for the outcomes they attain. If an idea proves ineffective, they abandon it and seek alternatives that will yield favorable results. Number 6. Poor spending habits. To what extent do you hold yourself accountable for every dollar that comes your way? Are you careless with your finances? Do you diligently track both your income and expenses? It's important to recognize that poor spending habits often result in a consistent lack of funds. In contrast, wealthy individuals exercise financial accountability and understand the significance of maintaining accurate records. If you aspire to achieve wealth, it is essential to adopt the practice of keeping meticulous financial records. Resist the temptation to spend impulsively on every desire. Instead, establish priorities and ensure that your expenses remain within the limits of your income. By doing so, you will avoid falling into debt and accumulate sufficient savings for future investments. Number 7. Procrastination. Procrastination is the tendency to postpone tasks that should have been completed earlier, sometimes even stretching them out to the next day or week. It often begins with seemingly insignificant things like neglecting to make your bed in the morning or skipping your morning exercises. However, when this behavior becomes habitual, it can rob you of countless transformative opportunities. To conquer procrastination, it is crucial to cultivate a habit of taking immediate action. As soon as you recognize a promising opportunity, begin working on it without delay. While you may not be able to accomplish everything in one fell swoop, the key is to initiate the process. This could involve conducting online research for a project or inspecting a real estate property. The important thing is to start, as taking that first step sets the momentum for progress. Number 8. Comfort zone. Even if you are currently earning a substantial income, it's crucial to reflect on your long-term prospects. You might be tempted to believe that you are already comfortable and have no need for further personal or professional growth. However, it's essential to contemplate what your life could look like in 10 or more years. Consider the possibility of starting a family, as your financial obligations will likely increase. Will you have the necessary resources to maintain the lifestyle you desire? Moreover, have you considered the potential impact of unexpected job loss? It's unwise to remain complacent in your comfort zone if your aspiration is to attain wealth. Remember that anything that ceases to grow eventually diminishes. To secure a prosperous future, consistently plan ahead and invest in ventures that hold the potential for substantial financial returns. Number 9. Passing negative judgment on others. What thoughts arise when you encounter individuals who are wealthy and accomplished? How do you react when you come across luxury vehicles like Rolls-Royces or limousines? Do you frequently express discontent towards those who possess wealth? Do you perceive them as a societal issue? If you tend to swiftly pass judgment on the accomplishments of others, it is important to be mindful of your thoughts. Adopting a hostile attitude towards the wealthy will not pave the way to prosperity. If you consistently make derogatory remarks about those who are affluent, it is unlikely that you will ever join their ranks, as you can only attain what you genuinely respect and admire. And number 10. Wrong choice of friends. What kind of social circle do you find yourself in? Do your leisure time companions prioritize excessive drinking and partying? If you surround yourself with such company, your chances of achieving financial success will be greatly diminished. It is crucial to reconsider the company you keep and intentionally surround yourself with individuals who share the values and aspirations you strive for. The wrong choice of friends can undermine your dreams and discourage you from pursuing investment opportunities. Their intentions may not stem from a lack of belief in your potential, but rather a desire to prevent losing your companionship. They recognize that once you attain wealth, your social status may no longer align with theirs, and as a result, they may wish for you to conform to their lifestyle. If your goal is to become financially prosperous, now is the ideal moment to distance yourself from such company and seek out individuals who support your ambitions. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.